Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Dart SXT, stock number B9224P. 39,000 miles on this Dart, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, red line in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Also includes emergency roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The Dart is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the compact car class, but has the interior space of a mid-size car. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large read gauges. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's the largest in its class for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Very large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9224P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.